Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art to-do list app using React.js. Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I'll teach you guys that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art to-do list app using React.js and SweetAlert2. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are gonna learn and today what we are gonna build in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that you will have a clear picture in your mind that today what I am gonna learn and today what I am gonna create in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js. Okay, so guys, here we can see the one heading also, an awesome, dynamic and simple to-do list app in React.js. Okay, yes guys, you read it right. Guys, today in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I'll teach you guys that how we can create this kind of awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art to-do list app using React.js and SweetAlert2. Okay, so guys, below we can see here one input field also with the placeholder add new to do. Okay, and here we can see one button also add task. Okay, and guys, below we can see here some old or previously added to do list, or we can say the task as well. Okay, so here the first task is learn HTML, second task is learn JavaScript, and the third task is learn React. Okay, and guys, on the right hand side we can see here three buttons also. Okay, so the first button is view task, second button is edit task, and third button is delete task. Okay, so guys, let me just show you one by one all the feature, all the functionality of this to do list app. Okay, so guys, whenever you will hit this button delete task, you are gonna delete the task. Okay, but guys, it will ask you, do you really want to delete the task, or you have just pressed the button mistakenly. Okay, so I am gonna hit this button delete task and let me just show you the process. Okay, how it is gonna work and how it is gonna interact with the users. Okay, so hit this button delete task, so hit it now. So guys, you can see here the moment I have hit the button delete task, okay, one pop-up has been opened. Okay, and it is asking, are you sure you won't be able to reward this? Okay, so guys, it is asking, do you really want to delete this task, or you have just pressed the button by mistake? Okay, so it is asking, are you sure you won't be able to reward this? Okay, so guys, once you have deleted it, you won't be able to get it back. Okay, and here we can see here two buttons also. The first button is called yes, delete it, and second button is called cancel. Okay, so guys, the moment you will hit this button yes, delete it, you are gonna delete the task from the to-do list. Okay, and the moment you will hit this button cancel, you will be able to cancel the task. The task will be not deleted, it will remain here, it will persist. Okay, so this time I am gonna hit this button cancel. Okay, so guys, you can see here cancelled. Okay, your data is safe. Okay, and below we can see here one button also called bow. Okay, so hit it. So you can see guys, the task is here, it is not deleted. Okay, so this time I am gonna delete it. So hit this button, delete task. So it is again asking, are you sure you won't be able to reward this? Okay, so this time I am actually gonna delete this. Okay, so we have to hit this button, yes, delete it. So hit it now. So see, deleted. Okay, so guys, now we can see here our task is already deleted. Okay, and now we can see here we have got only two tasks now in our to-do list app. Okay, so this time I am gonna see this task. Okay, as of now we can see here, because this is a simple and small task. Okay, if it is a long task, then it will be really helpful to see the entire task. Okay, so this time I am gonna hit this button, view task. So hit it now. So see, task details. Okay, so task is learn javascript. Okay, and the id is 2. Okay, I have just shown the id. If you want, you can just hide it. Okay, it is not needed, it is not required. Okay, and we can see one button also. Okay, just to dismiss this pop-up. Okay, so hit it now. So now guys, I am gonna edit this task. Okay, learn javascript, I am gonna edit it. Okay, so hit this button, edit task. So hit it now. So you can see guys, here is the heading, edit your task. Okay, and in the SweetAlert2 guys only, I have opened the task. Okay, in the input field, and it says learn javascript. Okay, because this is what we have click the button, edit task. Okay, so we have to edit the task, or we can say just cancel. Okay, it will remain at as it is. Okay, so again hit this button, edit task. So this time I'll say here learn javascript, it's okay, it's good for you. Okay, so guys, now previously it was just learn javascript, and now I have added it's good for you. So now we have to hit this button, okay, then only it is gonna be updated, then only it is gonna be edited. Okay, so we have to hit this button, okay, so hit it now. So see guys, you can see here task updated. Okay, you can see here, let me just put here 1. Okay, and guys, we will open another pop-up. Okay, it will say the task is updated now. So hit okay. You can see updated, your task has been updated, and you can see here learn javascript is good for you and 1. Okay, so we can see the task also by clicking this button, view task. So hit it. You can see task details, learn. Okay, so you can see here task learn javascript is good for you, and the id is 2. Okay, so click ok. So guys, this time I am gonna edit the last one, learn react. Okay, so hit this button, edit task. You can see here learn react is already here in the input field. If we want, we can change it, or we can just cancel it. We have to hit this button, cancel. Okay, so cancel it. So it's as it is, it has not been updated. Okay, so now I'm gonna update it. Okay, so edit task. Okay, so we can say here learn react, and it's okay, and it's damn awesome. Okay, so we have to either hit the enter, or we can hit this button, okay. So I'm gonna hit the enter this time. Okay, so hit enter. You can see updated, your task has been updated. Okay, we can view the task also. So view task. Okay, task details, learn react, and it's damn awesome. id is 3. We can hide it if we want. I just showed you for the demo, for the example. Okay, so click ok to dismiss this pop-up, to dismiss this alert. Okay, so hit ok. So guys, here we can see guys, I have not used simple or the conventional javascript alert, okay, to show the task, okay, to edit the task. No, I have used here guys state of the art pop-up SweetAlert2. Okay, so let me just open the SweetAlert2. I have to show you something. It is very important. So I'll say here SweetAlert2. Okay, so let it just remain here. Okay, I'll just show you. So go to the input types. Okay, I will just show you what it is very important for this tutorial. Okay, so just come here. So guys, let me just delete guys all the tasks. Okay, I want to show you something. So delete all the tasks. Yes, delete it. So deleted, your item has been deleted successfully. Delete this also. Are you sure you want to delete it? You won't be able to reward this. Okay, so I want to delete it, so we have to hit this button. Yes, delete it. So hit it now. Deleted. And guys, you can see here now we don't have any single item in our to-do list app. Okay, we don't have any single task in our to-do list. Okay, so that's why guys, we can see here this image. Okay, and below we can see here text also. Please add some task or to-dos. Okay, so guys, okay, so guys, it is mandatory. We have to have at least one to-do list item in our to-do list. Okay, then only we will be able to see the to-do list item or the task. Okay, otherwise we will be able to see this image. Okay, and this text. Please add some task or to-dos. Okay, so I'm gonna insert some task in my to-do list app. Okay, so I will just say here I love coffee a lot. Okay, so hit enter, or we can hit this button add task as well. Okay, so this time I'm gonna hit the enter. Okay, so hit it. So you can see here task added. Okay guys, you can see here the moment I have hit this button add task, or I press the button enter, we can see another SweetAlert2 pop up, and it will say your task has been added with the task also. Okay, so let me just show it one more time. I'll just add this text only. So copy and paste it here. So guys, just pay attention here. Okay, on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, just pay attention here. Okay, so hit the button add task. You can see the task also shown here. Okay, and we can see again view task, edit task, delete task. Here also view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so guys, on each and every task or the to-do list item, we will be able to see these three buttons. Okay, view task, edit task, to edit the task, to view the task, and to delete the task. Okay, here also view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so let me just add one more task for your confidence. So paste it here and hit enter. You can see Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and here also we can see the same task also Prabhat Pandit added here. Okay, and we can see here also three buttons: view task to view the task, edit task button to edit the task, and delete task button to delete the task. Okay, and guys, this is just a simple image. Okay, it will be the same image. Okay, for all the tasks. Okay, no matter like how many tasks you are gonna add, the image will remain same, the image will remain constant. Okay, I have just shown you for the like dummy purpose. Okay, you can just make it dynamic also if you want, but I have just shown you the dummy image. Okay, so I'm gonna add here one more task. Okay, so copy this and paste it here. So paste it and hit enter, or hit the button add task. So hit it. You can see here the task added, and you can see here welcome to React.js classes with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and three buttons here also: view task to view the task. Okay, edit button to edit the task, delete task button to delete the task. Okay, so delete it. Yes, deleted. Okay, delete this also. Yes, deleted. Okay, so edit this task. Okay, so I'll say here Prabhat Pandit is a great coder. Okay, so hit enter. You can see updated, and you can see here the same task here also updated. Prabhat Pandit is a great coder. Okay, and actually I want to see this task also, so we have to hit this button view task. So you can see here task details, and the task is Prabhat Pandit is a great coder, and the ID is this. Okay, actually it is a date. Okay, so we have to if we want we can dismiss this pop-up by clicking this button. Okay, okay, so just delete all the task. Yes, deleted, deleted, delete this also. Yes, deleted, deleted. And again guys, we can see here the image and the task. Please add some task or to do's. Okay, so let me just add first a few tasks. Okay, so I'll say here learn React.js, hit enter, task added. Okay, so I'll say here learn learn WordPress, hit enter. So you can see here learn WordPress is added. Okay, and we can see here view task button, edit task button, delete task button. Here also the same button, view task button, edit task button, and delete task button to delete the task, to edit the task, to view the task. Okay, so on each and every guys to-do list, okay, item, we will be able to see these three buttons. Okay, view task, edit task, and delete task. Here also same buttons, view task, edit task, and delete task. Let me just add one more task, like I'll say here uh, make coffee. So hit enter. Okay, so guys, here we can see the task make coffee. So the same button, view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I have explained you all the features of this state of the art to-do list app in React.js using SweetAlert2. Okay, and guys, now you are excited, you are thrilled, okay, to learn this, to build this kind of dynamic and awesome and state of the art to-do list app in React.js using SweetAlert2 with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this state of the art to-do list app using React and SweetAlert2. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly, and definitely guys, you will grow also professionally in your career. Okay, please guys like this video also, and please guys like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, so guys, please consider me as your friend, consider me as your brother. Okay, and guys, your friend need your help, your brother need your help. Okay, and guys, you know how you're gonna help me. Guys, you can only help me, you can only support me by subscribing to my this YouTube channel Code with and by liking all my videos. Okay, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this. Okay, for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, please guys, please, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, please guys, just subscribe now this channel Code with Okay, and guys, make this YouTube channel one of the best YouTube channel. Okay, which is gonna teach you, which is gonna explain you all the good things. Okay, in CSS, in HTML5, in JavaScript, in jQuery, in React, in Vue, and in Angular, as well as in ServiceNow as well. Okay, please guys, make this YouTube channel successful channel on YouTube. Okay, guys, it's a request, it's a humble request from a friend to a friend, from a brother to a brother. Okay, guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this YouTube channel Code with and by liking all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation. Okay, please guys, please, it's a request from a friend to a friend, it's a request from a brother to a brother. Okay, please guys, just subscribe now, and thank you guys who has already subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Thank you guys, thanks a lot. Okay, it means a lot to me. And thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Please guys, subscribe now and support me. Okay guys, you can see guys, I am putting a lot of hard work, I am putting a lot of hard efforts, okay, to create awesome videos for you guys on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, please guys, subscribe now. Please press the subscribe button now, means now. Okay, please guys, press it. Okay, please press it. Okay, so guys, now this is it. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build, okay, this state of the art to-do list app in React.js using SweetAlert2. Okay, so guys, sit back, be relaxed, be calm, and be patient. Okay guys, trust me guys, I give you my word, I give you my promise guys, I promise you, I give you my guarantee. Okay guys, this is very simple to learn, to create this kind of application in React.js. Okay guys, provided you have to be very calm and you have to watch the entire video, you don't have to skip the video. Okay, otherwise you will miss something, you are gonna miss each and everything from this video, from this session, and at the end you will end up losing your time, losing your energy, and you will just scratch your head that I didn't get anything from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, to get all the things from this video, from this session, guys, you have to be patient, you have to be calm, and just sit back, be relaxed, and watch the entire video and learn something unique, something awesome from this video. Okay, with me, Prabhat Pandit. Guys, I promise you, I give you my guarantee guys, you will definitely guys learn something new, something unique, something awesome from this video, from this session today. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's build. I hope guys you are now excited and thrilled. Okay, so let me go to the code editor first. So I'm gonna use here guys VS Code editor. Okay, so guys, you are okay free to use any IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, I'm gonna create here one new file, and I'll give the file name as a to do list app.html. so save the file. Okay, I'm gonna create here first HTML. So HTML, give the page title as well, Code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit, and I am a software developer. Currently I am working as a service now developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 5 years of experience in software development. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, now we need some CDN links also in order to work with this file. So let me go to the example and let me just copy the CDN links from there, and I'll explain you all the CDN links. So just don't worry and just be here and watch the entire video. Okay, I have given you my promise, I have given you my guarantee that guys, you will definitely learn something new, something awesome, something unique from this video, from this session today. Okay, in React.js. Okay, and it is gonna definitely help you in your professional career as well. Okay, so this is the example. Let me just copy all the CDN links from here. I'm sorry. So just copy these CDN links from here and just paste it here below the title tag. So paste it here. Let me just go again one more time, and let me just copy these CDN links also, and just come here and paste above the closing body tag. So paste it here. So guys, you can just pause the video and you can just go through the CDN links. Okay, it is self-explanatory, there is no any rocket science. So this is the CSS file for bootstrap 5. Okay, I'm gonna also use here bootstrap. Okay, you can see here I'm using here bootstrap. Okay, for the buttons, okay, for the input field, okay, for the responsiveness also. Okay, so just come to the code, and guys, this is the font awesome icon. Okay, and this is the CDN link for SweetAlert2. Okay, and this is the JS file for React development. This is the JS file for React DOM development, and this is the JS file for Babel. Okay, babel.min.js. Okay, so guys, here I am using the CDN links, okay, of React, just to teach you, just to explain you the things in React. Okay guys, you can guys definitely very easily guys, you can convert, okay, all these things in the React native app as well. Okay, so guys, this is the bevel, and we all know why we use the bevel. It is gonna support our JSX. Okay, it is gonna support our JSX file. It is gonna transpile our JSX file in the normal JavaScript. Then only it is gonna be understood by our web browser JavaScript engine. Okay, that's why we use the bevel. Okay, and it is also a CDN version. Okay, I'm sorry. So guys, now let me just create here one container HTML div also. So this is known as the view part. I'll give the ID also as a root. So close this div. I'm gonna create here one script tag also. So I'll say here script, close this, and we have to specify here the type attribute also. We have to mention here the type attribute also, because we are gonna use here the CDN version of bevel. Okay, so that's why we have to specify the, we have to mention the type attribute also here in the script tag. Okay, so I'm gonna say here text slash bevel. Okay, so this is it. So open this. Okay, so guys, now first of all guys, let me just create here few custom components also. Okay guys, I hope guys you know how we can create the custom component. Okay, because I've explained you in my previous videos also. Okay, if you have not watched my previous videos, just go guys and watch it. It will be very beneficial for you. Okay, if you want to become great in React.js. Okay, let me just show you these videos guys. Okay, just go here and watch guys these videos, okay, on React. It will be very beneficial for you, okay, to understand the basics of React. Okay, I'm sorry. So just come to the code now. So I'm going to create here a few custom components. Okay, here also. So I'm going to create here the first component. So I'll say here const. Okay, I'm going to use here the factor function. Okay, so I'll say here to do I'll say here input. Okay, to do input for the for this input field. Okay, let me just show you. Go to the example. For this input field guys, we are going to create here one custom component for this input field, and for this button also, and this is another component. Okay, so guys, this is the first component and this is the second component, and we will create here another main component as well. Okay, so just come to the code now. I'm gonna pass here some props as well. Okay, I'm gonna pass here some props as well. So I'll say here equal to like this. So this is the factor function. So put semicolon. So it is gonna return all the things first. So I'll say here return. This is very important guys. Don't forget to return from the components as well. Okay, then only we can be able to use this component in our main or the parent component. Okay, so just it gonna take here, it is gonna take here one JavaScript. Okay, JSX fragments also, or we can use the div also. Okay, it's up to us only. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one form. So I'll say here form. So form, close this very quickly. I'll give the class name also like this. So we will just say here d flex, or we will just give here margin 3 from top left, and bottom also I'll give here position as a relative. So open this form element. Okay, go little up, and I'm gonna create here one input field also. So I'll say here input. I'll give the type attribute also as a text. I'll just give the class name also. I'll say here form control. Okay, form control, and I'll just give here me2 also margin. Okay, I'll give here padding 3 also. So padding 3. So close this. It is very important to close all the HTML tag in React.js. Okay, so so just say like this, it is good practice in React. I'm sorry. So I'll just give here the first of all, let me just define here some props. Okay, so I'm gonna define here, guys, three props also. So first prop I'll give here new to do. Okay, new to do. The first prop is new to do, and second prop is set. Okay, set new uh, to do. Okay, set new to do. Okay, and third prop is, I'll give here the third prop is add. Okay, add to do. Okay, add to do, give it a little bit space also. So this is it. Okay, so now here we are gonna give the value attribute also. So I'll say here value like this. Okay, so we will just use here this value. Okay, new to do in place of value, so put it here. Okay, so I'll just say here on change also. On change I'll say here equal to, so like this. I'm gonna use here the fat array function, so we can give the here event object also. So I'm gonna use here fat array function. So I'll say here this set new to do. So copy this and paste it here. It is gonna update. Okay, it is gonna update this new to do using this set new to do function. We will just define this function in the parent component, in the main component. Okay, and then only it is gonna be updated. Okay, using the user state hook also. Okay, here guys we are also gonna use here the user state hook also. So let me just import it. Okay, let me just import it from here only, otherwise we will forget it and later on we will have a lot of issues due to this. Okay, so from where? Of course from React. Okay, so put semicolon. So I'm gonna use here the strict mode as well. Okay, strict mode I'm gonna use here, and we all know why I'm gonna use this strict mode. Okay, I'm not gonna explain you again and again. Okay, it will take a lot of time also. Okay, and the second one is I'm gonna use here user state. Okay, hook also, and I hope we know why we use the user state hook in React. Okay, okay, so this is it. So now, so I'll just say here I'll just say here event. Okay, this event. Okay, this event dot target dot value. Okay, target dot value. So guys, this, okay, event dot target dot value is all about this input field only. Okay, because user is gonna enter the task or the to-do list item through this input field only. So this event dot target is gonna refer to this input field only. Okay guys, it will only refer to this input field only. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is it. So now I'm gonna create here one button element also. So I'll say here button. So close this button also. I'll give the I'm sorry, class name also. So I'll say here btn btn. I'll say here absolute. So this is the custom class. I'll say here btn. I'll say here btn. I'll use here primary. Okay, and I'll use here padding 3. Okay, so just give the text also. I'll say here add task. Add task. Okay, so this is it. Okay, as of now guys, we have defined here one custom component. Okay, let me just give the some comments also here. So I'll say here to do. Okay, to do input component. Okay, component. So this is it. So guys, now let me just define here the main component as well. Okay, so come here, I'm going to define here the main component. I'll say here main component. Okay, main component. So I'll just use here const. I'll say here app equal to, I'll just use here the filter function like this. Close this, and it is also gonna return all the things. So we have to say here return like this, and it is gonna take here one container div also. Go a little up, so I'm gonna use here div. I'll give the class name also as a, I'll give you a container. Okay, container margin top 4, or give 4, margin bottom give 4 also. Close this div. So error is gone now. So now this is it. Okay, so let me just create here one like const also. So I'll say here const, I'll say here header, okay, equal to, I'll say here welcome to React.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so put semicolon. Okay, so now guys we have to mount, okay, this container div. Okay guys, now we have to mount this view part, okay, with our this okay react.js instance also, and we all know how we can do that. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna mount it. Okay, so I'll say here I'm gonna create here one const. I'll say here container. I'll say here document dot get element by id. Okay, so we have to provide here the id, which is this root. Okay, so copy it from here and paste it here, and now I'm gonna create here another const. I'll say here root equal to, I'll say here react dom dot create root. Okay, and we have to provide this container to this function. Okay, and now we will just say here root. Okay, so root dot render. What to render guys? Of course our main component. So close this, and here I have used here the strict mode also. So I'm gonna use here this strict mode also in our main component, and we all know why. I am not gonna explain you all the things again and again. Okay, because I have explained you all the things, important things in my previous videos also. Okay, if you have not watched it, just go and watch it. Okay, so just copy this main component app from here, and just like this place it and close this. So this is it. Okay, so guys, in this way we have, okay, mounted our this react.js instance with our this view part, with our this HTML part. Okay, so this is it guys. Okay, so as of now, just save your code, dispose this port, and hit the button go live to go live. Okay, so as of now we can't see anything. So just come to the code and just copy this header variable from here, and just create another div inside this div, and give the class name also. I'll say here text center, margin top 3, margin bottom also 3. Just close this div. I'm sorry, and just I'm gonna use here h1 element also. So h1, give the class name also. I'll say here h1 only, and close this h1 very quickly, and I'm gonna use here open and closing braces, and we have to copy this header variable name from here and just paste it here. Save your file, go to the browser, and see, boom guys, you can see here magic happened. Okay, so it says welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit, which means our code is doing great, our react.js is doing fine. Okay, so guys, now very quickly we will just show this input field and this button also. So in the meantime, let me just copy the text from here only, and just come here, and below this div I'm gonna create here h2 element very quickly. Give the class name also as a text center, and just paste it. Okay, and paste the text also. Save your file, go to the browser, and we can see here an awesome dynamic and simple to-do list app in react.js. Okay, let me just put here .js also. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so okay, so guys, now we will just show this input field and this add task button also. So for that we have already created a custom component. Okay, so just come to the code now and we have to use this custom component. So copy this custom component name from here to do input and come here, and below this I'm gonna use it. Okay, and we all know how we can use it. Okay, so just close this. Okay, and guys, now we have to use here this use state hook now in the main component also. Okay, so I'm gonna create here some state variables as well. Okay, so I'll say here const, I'll say here new to do. So copy it from here and just paste it, comma, and copy this set new to do. Okay, copy this and just paste it here. From where, guys? Of course, use state. Okay, so as of now just don't give anything, let it be blank, let it be empty. Okay, and on this form also I'm gonna use here on submit event. Okay, so I'll say here on submit, on submit I'm gonna just call this add to do event handler. Okay, so copy this add to do event handler from here and just paste it here. So this is it. Okay, so now we have to create here another state variables. So copy it and just paste it here, and we will just copy this okay, add to do. So we will just copy this add to do and we will just provide it. Okay, so add to do. So now just come here to this. Okay, so let me just give the like I mean, what can I say, props value also. So copy this new to do prop from here and just paste it, give equal to like this, and we will just provide this new to do equal to new to do. This is it. So now we will just copy this. Okay, set new to do and just paste here, not entire things, use copy this set new to do and just paste it, give equal to, give opening braces. So copy this set new to do and just paste it here, and we will just define this add to do also. So we will just say here add to do equal to add to do only. So we will just define this add to do method now. Okay, so just remove this, we don't require this. Okay, later on we will give here. So now actually I'm gonna define this add to do now. Okay, so as of now just save your code and go to the browser. So we can see here there will be an error. So go to the console and I will just show you the error. Okay, so what is the error? You can see here add to do is not defined. Okay, so we have to define it also. So this is the reference error, that's why I showed you. Okay, so close this. So we have to define the this add to do. So copy it from here, and in the main component we have to define it. So just here only I'll just use here const. Okay, const paste this equal to, I'm gonna use here factor function like this. So close this, and we will just as of now we will just returns. Okay, we will just alert something. Okay, so I'll say here alert, alert. I'll just give here the I will just give here the so we can give here some. Okay, let it be as of now, just add to do. So this is it. Okay, so So add to do, let's just alert something. We will say here hello. Okay, React developers. Okay, this is it. Okay, for the demo purpose. So now save your code, go to the browser and see, boom guys, we can see here the input field and one button also. So we have to write our some custom css also. So let me just go to the head section. I'm gonna create here I'm sorry, one internal style sheet also. So just go to the guys example only. It is very normal css. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here. Okay, it is very normal css. You can see here btn absolute. Okay, you can see here the same class btn absolute on this button. Okay, and it says position absolute, float right 0 px, top 0, border top left radius 0%, and border bottom left radius also 0. Okay, and this is the li font size 20 px. Okay, and this classes is for like SweetAlert2 pop-up. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, this is the required css for this demo for this class. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser, and you can see here it is looking exactly like this. Okay, so this is the demo and this is what we have created at task. So we will just give the placeholder also. I'll just give the placeholder. So come to the input and say here placeholder. Okay, equal to placeholder. I'll give here, please add your task. Okay, please add your task. Okay, save your file, go to the browser, and you can see here the placeholder is now here. Please add your task. Okay, so guys, now so this is it. Okay, so whenever guys user will enter anything and he or she will hit enter, then we will be able to, you can see here it is also react alerting here hello React developers. Okay, so our button is working fine. You can see our button is doing great. Okay, so let me just say here we have to you can see here guys, go to the url. You can see here guys, we can see here the question mark. Okay, so why guys, this is because our page is being refreshed, our form is being redirected to somewhere else. Okay, so we have to prevent this, we have to stop this using the event dot prevent default method. Okay, so I'm gonna do it now. So I will just say here event. Okay, so now just say here event. Okay, event dot prevent default. Okay, event dot prevent default. Save your file. Now go to the browser and just remove this, hit enter, and now hit this button add task. You can see now it is not gonna be redirected anywhere, it is not going to be refresh the page. Okay, so we have stopped the default behavior of this page of this form as well. Okay, so it is not being refreshed now. You can see here there is no question mark appended in the url now. Okay, so this is it. So come to the code now. So now okay, so let me guys just show you something. Okay, we can show the user what he or she has entered here. Okay, so just paste it here and I hope this will work. You can see here we can see whatever the user is gonna enter. Okay, so through this, okay, through this only we will take it. Okay, from this input field. Okay, from this input field, and we will just we will just create the task or okay, or the to-do list item. Okay, through this text whatever user is gonna enter in this input field, we will just grab it, we will just take it. Okay, whenever he or she will hit enter or will hit this button add task, we will just grab it and we will just create the to-do list item or the to-do list task. Okay, out of this input text. Okay, watch whatever user is gonna enter here. Okay, so just come to the code now. I showed you, so just remove this. Okay, so now we will just First of all, let me just create these. Okay, let me just create, guys, these dummy task. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna create here another component. Okay, I'm gonna create here another component. I'm sorry. So just come here below this. I'm gonna say here const. Okay, I'm gonna create here another component. Okay, so I'll say here uh, const I'll say here to do I'll say here to do list. Okay, equal to, I'll use here the filter function as well. Okay, so like this, close this, and first of all just say here return, because once they will forget it, it will be a very hectic task. Okay, so just give here the just create here ul. Okay, and just close this ul very quickly. Give the class name also. I'll say here list group. Okay, so just open this and just give some space from this return. Okay, and now we will just use here so I'm gonna create here let me just first of all let me just create here. So copy this and just say here, I'll say here to do's. Okay, to do's, and I'll say here set. Okay, set to do's. Okay, set to do's. Okay, so it is quite okay. So I'm gonna create here one array of object here also. So I'll just say here, I hope I've explained you how we can create the array of object. Okay, if you don't know, just be here and watch the entire video. Okay, so I'm gonna create here first element like this, put comma. Okay, so put comma, put comma. So I'll give here the id also. So I'll say here id, I'll give you one. I'll say here text also as a learn, give capital L. I'll say here learn HTML5. Okay, put comma if we want. I'll give here id 2, put comma. I'll say here text. I'll say here learn React.js. If we want, we can put comma also. Give here id3, id3, and say here text. I'll say here learn Angular .js. Okay, so guys, now we will use this to do's. Okay, a state variable to loop through these elements. Okay, this is the array of object. Okay, so guys, now this to do's is now an array of object. Okay, guys, always remember this to do's is now an array of object. Okay, and we will use this to do's to loop through these items. Okay, the first item, second item, and the third item. Okay, and whatever user will create, it will also come inside this to do's only through this input field. Okay, through this input field, whatever user is gonna enter, it will also come here. Okay, here in this to do's. Okay, through this input field. Okay, so just come to the code now. So now just give here another class. I'll give here, I'll say here text. I'll just say here text. I want here left aligned. Okay, so I'll say here text left. Okay, this is it. So now I'm gonna use here the open and closing braces. Okay, and we will just give here some props also. So I'll say here first I'll give here this to do's only, or I can just give here to do's only. So to do's, this is the first prop. I'm gonna give here the second prop. I'll say here I'll say here view okay, Vue to do. Okay, so later on we will just give here another props also. So as of now, let it be. Okay, so okay, so now we will just copy this to do's, okay, props from here, and we will just check it. Okay, so I'll say here to do's dot length. Okay, to do's dot length. Okay, if it is okay equal to 0, okay, which means there is nothing inside this to do's list array of object. Okay, if guys, if this is 0, if the length is 0 of any array or any array of object, okay, which means there is nothing inside the array or array of object. Okay, so we are gonna check here also that if to do's dot length equal to 0, if this is the case. Okay, if this is the case, okay, so then we will also say here like this. Okay, and so guys, this is known as, guys, ternary operator. Okay, and this is also known as the conditional rendering in React.js. Okay, guys, this is known as the conditional rendering in React.js, and guys, it is similar to ternary operator. Okay, so if this is true, we will get this. Okay, if this is false, we will get this. Okay, it is quite easy and quite graspable. Okay, so I hope you know what I'm doing here. Okay, because I'm, guys, trying to explain you guys each and every step what I will write here, what I did here, guys. I'm constantly speaking, I'm constantly, guys, speaking to make you understand, to make you clear the things whatever I'm writing here, whatever I'm doing here. So guys, I hope you are here and you are watching the entire video. Guys, I give you my word, guys, I promise you that you will definitely, guys, learn something new, something unique, something awesome from these videos, from this session. Okay, so if this is true, okay, if this condition is true, we will get, okay, we will get this. Okay, if this condition is false, if this condition is false, we will get this. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one container div also here. So give, close this div. Okay, I'll give the class name also. I'll say here just say here any class, I can give anything. Say here position relative. Okay, this is it. Open this div. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one img element. Okay, so I'll say here img, close this. I'll give the src also. So I'll say here src. Okay, so I'll say here assets. Okay, assets. Inside the assets, I have got a folder called images. Okay, and let me just copy the images from the previous example only. So just come here and where is the image? So copy this image from here, image name from here, and just paste it here. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now let me just show you this is the image, guys. Okay, just come here. So delete the entire task very quickly. Okay, sorry. So guys, this image. Okay, and I will give the text also. Please add some task or to do's. Okay, so come to the code now, and just I'll just give here the text also below this img element. Okay, so I'll just give here the class attribute also, so we can give class name like this. I'm sorry. So I'll say here img fluid. Okay, img fluid, I'll give here width 50. Okay, and we can give here alt attribute, although, okay, give here image name. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, below this img, I'm gonna create here one h2 element also. So h2, and close this h2. I'll give the class name also as a h2 only. I'm sorry. So I'll say here please, okay, please add some tasks or capital or to do's. Okay, okay, this is it. Okay, so now now we have to, so guys we have defined here the first condition. Okay, so this is the guys first conditions we have defined, and now we are going to define here the second conditions. Okay, if this condition fails, okay, they will show this condition. If this condition is true, they will show these things. Okay, so now I'm going to define here the second conditions content. Okay, so I'll just use here another I will say here, so copy this to do's. Okay, so just come here, paste it. I'll say here dot, I'm gonna use here guys map method. Okay, so javascript map method, we all know it is used to look through the array or the array of objects. Okay, and it is gonna create here another object out of the what can I say, from the old array, but it is not gonna alter the old array. It will only create the new array out of the old array. Okay, so it is gonna take here one callback function also, and that callback function will take at least one necessary or important parameter. Okay, so I'll give here the parameter as a to do. Okay, to do. So I'm gonna use here the fat function like this. So like this. Okay, so it is gonna take here one container div or the container element also. So I'll give here li. Okay, so li, close this li. So I'll give the class name also as a list group item. Okay, and I'll give the another class. So I'll say here list group item p3. I'll say here justify content space between, we can say here align item, I can say here center. Okay, so open this div, I mean li, and inside this li we will just use here I'll just give here the key attribute also like this. I'll say here this to do. Okay, this to do dot, I'll say here id. Okay guys, this id. Okay, this id, id1, id2, id3. Okay, so we will use this. Okay, to do list custom component. Okay, guys, we will use this to do list custom component in our main or the parent component like this custom component. Okay, we will use this to do list custom component as well. Okay, so I'll just give the key attribute as a to do dot id. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so let me just now below this inside this li, I'm gonna create here one div element also. Okay, so I'll just create here, I'll just give the class name also. I'll say here position. Okay, so close this div and open this div. Inside this div I'm gonna create here this img. Okay, let me just go to the example, let me just refresh the page. Okay, so guys, this img I'm gonna create. Okay, I'm gonna create first this img. Okay, so come to the code now, and I'm gonna create here one img element. I'll say here src equal to assets images. Okay, and let me just go to the example to copy the image name from there only. So just copy this image name from here and just paste it here. Okay, so I'll just say here this is it. Okay, so close this first. I'll just give here the class attribute as well. I'll say here that we can give the class name, or we can give here img fluid. Okay, and I'm gonna give here the inline style. Okay, I'll say here style. I'm gonna use here the javascript object. So I'll say here width. So I'll say here width like this. We will say here width like this, and we will just give here we can give here 70px. Okay, so as of now 70px. Okay, and I want to show the text also. This text learn HTML5, learn React, learn Angular.js, and whatever user will enter, we will also show that. Okay, so I'm sorry. So I'll just copy this, okay, this to do, and just say here like this, paste here, and we will just say here dot text, okay, to show the text, okay, to show the text, okay. So now so guys, now just save your file and go to the browser. So guys, as of now we can see here only the input field and not the old or the previously added to-do list item or the task, okay. So guys, now in order to see the previously added or previously stored to-do list task or item, what we have to do, we have to use this custom component in our main or the parent component. So come here and just say here like this, okay. So now we will give the prop value also. So this is the to do prop, so copy this and paste it here, give equal to like this, open and closing braces, and copy this to do's from here and just paste it here. I'm sorry, okay. And just copy this view to do, and just as of now as of now just remove this props. Later on we will give it, okay, it is a required props, so later on we will give it. So just close this, save your file, and go to the browser and just see, boom guys, you can see here learn HTML5, learn React.js, learn Angular.js, like this is the example. So here we can see the buttons also, view task, edit task, delete task, and not here we can't see button here also. Now we will create the button as well, okay. So just come to the code, and now inside this div only I'm gonna create here the button container div, okay. So let me just create here. So I'll say here div, give the class name also, I'll say here action buttons, okay. Close this div, and just now I'm gonna create here buttons, okay. So buttons, close this button, and I'll give the class name also like this. I'll give here btn, I'll give here btn info, okay, btn info, and I'll give here me2 also. I'll give the text first, so I'll say here view task, edit task, and delete task, okay. So I'll say here copy this button and just paste it couple of times, okay. So we will say here view task, we will just create here the icons also, font or some icon. So I'll say here class name equal to, I'll give here fafa, I'll give here fafa I, okay. So I'll say here area hidden attribute also, I'll give here area hidden equal to true. So close this I, and I'll just copy this, and we will just paste it here, okay. So now just let me just change the class name also. So I'm gonna change the class name, I'll say here btn, I'll say here warning, okay, btn warning. And let me just remove this class, I'll say here edit task, I'll give here fafa pencil, okay, pencil, this is it. I'll say here delete task, I'll just give here fafa trash, okay, trash, okay. So this is it, okay. So guys, now just save your file, go to the browser, and you can see here it is here. So let me just remove this. I'm sorry, let me just we can give here d flex, okay. Save your file, go to the browser, and see, boom guys, we can see here. So let me just change the button color, and button color I'll give here danger. Okay, btn danger. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser, and see. Now guys, we can see here the buttons also, like example, view task, edit task, delete task. Okay, here also view task, edit task, and delete task. So let me just see here what is the icon name here. So let me just see the icon name. So yeah, it is Fafa pencil only. Fafa pencil only. Yeah. Okay, there is double fa. So remove this and save your file. Now you can see here the pencil icon also. So as of now, nothing is gonna happen. Whenever guys you will click on any of the buttons, okay, nothing is gonna happen. Okay, so nothing is happening. So we have to guys write now the functionality. Now the guys, now the core part guys is coming of this video of this session, for that you have been waiting since a long time. Okay, so guys, just be here and be calm, be patient, and be careful, and watch the entire video. And guys, in the meantime, guys, please subscribe to my this YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also. And please guys, like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also, and on service now as well. Okay, please guys, please consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and do subscribe guys this YouTube channel Code with ER. Guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, guys, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and guys, please help this brother, help this friend by subscribing to my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay guys, it means a lot. Okay guys, your support, your help, okay, means a lot to me guys. Okay, a lot. Okay, just guys, support me by subscribing to my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, so I hope guys you have already subscribed now, and you are watching the video very carefully and very patiently to learn something new, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, so come to the code now. Now guys, we are going to write the functionality to view the task, to edit the task, to delete the task. Okay, now guys, the main or the core part comes. Okay, to view the task we will write the function, to edit the task we will add the function, to delete the task we will write the function. Okay, so come to the code now. And now, okay, so now we will just define here some method name on these buttons. Okay, so first method name I'm going to define here, view task. Okay, so I'll say here on click, I'll say here equal to like this. Okay, and I'm going to use here the filter function. Okay, so I'll just say here view task. Okay, we can say view task only, this is it. Okay, so now we will just provide here the entire to do array of object. Okay guys, we now know that this to do is now the plain array of object. Okay, so guys, now whatever is inside this to do's, okay, whatever elements, okay guys, whatever elements is now inside this to do's state variable, okay, is now inside this to do. Okay, and now this to do is the plain javascript object. Okay, so everything guys, everything from this to do's state variable is now inside this to do. Okay, and it is a array of object now. Okay, so we will pass this array of object entirely to this view task method. Okay, so like this, I'm sorry. Okay, so guys, now we will just define this method. Okay, so we have to give, okay, so we have to give this, okay, props as a value also. So I'll say here, copy this and just come here and just say here like this. Okay, so copy this prop value view task, and we will just give here also the prop value view task equal to as a view task only. So we have to define this now view task. Okay, so here below this at to do, I'm gonna define it. So I'll say here const like this equal to, I'm sorry, equal to like this. Okay, so just close this, and now you can see here we have passed here one entire array of object. Okay, so we will just grab this also. So copy this to do from here and just paste it here. So as of now, let me just show you the simple alert. Okay, javascript normal or the conventional alert. Okay, we'll say here alert. Okay, so I'll say here this to do. So to do dot in order to show this text. Okay, learn html5, learn react.js, learn angular.js. What we have to do here, we have to say here to do dot task. So save your file, go to the browser and just hit this button view task. See, okay, it is undefined guys. Okay, at least it is alerting, but it is undefined. Okay, let me just check why. So let me just check why on click. Okay, so view task is here. So view task to do this to do dot task. Let me just check guys, give me one seconds. Okay, give me 1 second. So to-do list. Okay, view task and view task here also I have given here view task to do. So view task. Okay, let me just check, go to the console and undefined. Okay, I guess. Okay, so we have to okay guys, okay, I'm forgetting something. So I guess just cut this out and just paste it here. Guys, it is text guys, it is text, not task. It is text guys. Okay, I'm sorry. So just say here to do dot text. Okay, I'm very sorry guys. You can see here it was a task. Okay, but it is not task. You can see here text. Okay, so it is a typo. Okay, it is a typing mistake. Okay, so we have to say here text. Okay, so now save your file, go to the browser, and now see, boom guys, learn HTML5, click OK, view task, learn React.js, OK, view task, learn Angular.js. Okay, so guys, it was just a typo, nothing else. Okay, so now guys, we will just alert the JavaScript. Okay, this sweet alert. Okay, pop up. Okay, and we will show the task. Okay, so come to the code now, and just now we will just remove this. Okay, just as of now just comment this. So we will just say here so say here sol dot alert or fire. We have to say here fire. Okay, like this. So there is no error scope. Okay, so we will just say here that I'll say here title. I'll say here title colon. We will just say here that task details. Okay, task details, put comma. I'll say here uh, html. I'll say here equal to, I will use here backtick, put comma. We will just use here the multi-line. Okay, so we will use here multi-line, so that's why I have given here the backtick. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the p element. Okay, so close this p. I'll use the strong element as well. I'll say here strong, so close this strong very quickly. So now we will just say here task. Okay, so task, put a space, put colon, and I'll just show the task also like this. Okay, inside the what can I say, javascript. Okay, javascript. Okay, string literals. Okay, so we will just say here to do. Okay, to do, this to do dot text, this is it. So inside this I'm gonna create here another p, so I'll just say here strong again. I'll just create here another strong, and I'll just give here the strong. I'll just give here the id, put a space. So now we will just use here like this. I'll say here to do dot id. Okay, to show the id. Okay, so guys, now below this I'm gonna create here icon. So I'll say here icon, put colon. I'll give here the info. Okay, info will be the icon, put comma. I'll give here the width attribute also. I'll just give here the width 25 em, put comma. I'll give here the I'll give here I'll say here height auto. Okay, I'll say here height auto also. I'll say here false. So this is it. Okay, so guys, now just remove this comment. So save your file, go to the browser, and now hit the button view task. So see, boom guys, you can see here the pop-up alert has been opened. Okay, the moment I have hit the button view task, and you can see here task details is here. So this is the it's a task. Okay, not take. Okay, so it's a task. I'm sorry for the typo, task. Okay, so just save your file and go to the browser, and now hit the button view task. You can see here task details, learn html, id is 1, click ok. So this task details, learn react.js, so id is 2, click ok. View task, so this is the third task, learn angular.js, id is 3, click ok. So guys, we have achieved here one functionality of viewing the task. Okay, so we can view the task by clicking the button view task. Okay, so we have achieved our guys one functionality, so we have to achieve here many more functionalities as well. Okay, so just come to the code now. So now guys, come here and just copy this method name from here, and we'll just paste here, and we will just rename the method name here also. Okay, so I'm gonna just rename the method name to, I'll say here add it. Okay, so I'll say here add it to do. Okay, add it to do. Okay, and I'll just I'll just pass here the id. Okay, I'll just pass here the id. So I'll just say here to do dot id, put comma. I'll pass the current text also. So I'll just say here this entire to do. Okay, to do dot, we will just say here text. Okay, so guys, this will give the id. Okay, this will give the id guys, okay, and this will give the current text. Okay, let me just show you. So just copy this. Okay, so we have to first we have to give this as a prop name. So just give here the uh, prop name. Okay, so copy this prop from here and just come here, and we have to give here the value to this prop as a edit to do only. So now just copy this edit to do, and just below this view task. Okay, so below this view task, I'm gonna just define it now. So I'll say here const. Okay, const like this. I'll just give you equal to, I'm gonna use here the filter function. So just close this, and just you can see here we have passed here the id and the text also. So copy this and just come here. So we will give here this id and this text. Okay, or we can say here the current. Okay, current text. Okay, like this. Okay, it will be easy for us to differentiate it. Okay, that this is the current text. Okay, this is the current, okay, value which is being edited, which is being updated or modified by the user. Okay, so this is the current text. Okay, so let me just alert you, normal javascript alert, to give you the confidence. Okay, so I'll just say here current, okay, text. Save your file, just go to the browser and check if the button is working or not. So hit the button, edit task. See, boom guys, you can see here learn HTML5, click OK. Edit task, learn React.js, click OK. Learn Angular.js. Okay, so edit task is also working, but we have to make it editable, we have to make it modifiable. Okay, so just now guys come to the code, and we will just open this SweetAlert2 pop-up only, so that user will be able to add it. Okay, so click OK. You can see here updated like this. Okay, so give here 33, click OK. You can see here learn javascript 33 is updated. Edit task. Okay, I'll say here okay, so hit enter. You can see here updated. Okay, so guys, now we have to achieve here the same functionality also here in our this application also. Okay, I showed you it is gonna alert the respective text on which you will click, on which user will click. Okay, so it is working fine. So we have to open this editable. Okay, we have to open this editable SweetAlert2 pop-up only, and it will fetch the current or the current text only from the what can I say, to-do list. Okay, list item on which user have clicked. Okay, so just click OK, updated. So just come to the code now, and now we will just do this. Okay, so I'll just say here just remove this or let it be here to give you the confidence. So now we will just say here sol dot fire, I'm sorry. So we will just say here, I'll just give here the title also. I'll give you the title as a edit. Okay, edit your task. Okay, edit your, it's not take, it's task. Okay, so I'm sorry guys, and I'll say here you can see here input. Okay, let me just give here the input. So input equal to, it is a type of text, so we will say here text. Okay, so just give comma. Let me just go to the URL, and you can see here guys. Okay, you can see here the input. Okay, you can see here input is text. Okay, which means it will open a text. Okay, you can see here input text is, it is open. Click OK, and you can guys see here the input is email. Okay, which means this is the input of type email. Okay, try me. You can see here email address is, you can see here enter your email address. Click OK. Just okay, and guys, this is the input type URL. Okay, you can see here this is the input URL. Click try me. You can see here enter the URL. Okay, and this is the guys input type. Okay, password means this is the input type of password. Okay, click try me. You can see here, enter your password. Okay, and here also you can see here input, it is a type of text area to write the message. Okay, so click try me. You can see here input type text area to write the message. Okay, so likewise guys, here also in our code, so input text means input type of text area. Okay, or the input type text. Okay, which will be able to user will be able to edit or update the task. Okay, like here in our previous example edit task, you can see it is input type and it is editable. Click OK, task updated. Okay, it is editable. Okay, you can see we can write something here in the input field. Click OK, so task is updated. Okay, so like here also, come to the code now, and now we will say here that input. Okay, input value. Okay, so input value, put colon, we will say here this current text. Okay, so input value is the current text. Okay, let me just show you. Go to the URL. Okay, you can see here input value. Let me just, if it is there, let me just show you if it is there. Okay, so yeah, you can see here input value is 1. Okay, by default it is defined 1. So try me, you can see here. Okay, so you can see you added with the TNC. So you can see here so input value is 1, which means the checkbox will be already checked. Okay, the input value guys is 1, so it is the input type of checkbox. Okay, and it will be already checked. Okay, because the input value is 1 and this is the input type checkbox, so it will be already checked. Okay, so that's why you can see here the checkbox is already checked. Okay, so that this is the value of input value. Okay, so we will also give here the input value equal to this current text. Okay, which is being edited, which is being modified by the user. Okay, so this is the input value, the current text on which, okay, on which user is gonna hit edit task, and it will fetch the respective task. Okay, like learn HTML, learn React.js, learn Angular.js, and which will be entered by the user dynamically. It will fetch whenever user will hit the button edit task. Okay, so this current, okay, this current task is the task on which user has clicked. Okay, like these tasks. Okay, so just come to the code now, put comma, I'll say here show. Okay, show, I'll say here show cancel button. Okay, so user don't want to edit the task. Okay, so we can show the cancel button also. So I'll say here true. Okay, let me just show you. Go to the example and you can see here edit task. You can see here there is OK button and there is a cancel button. If user don't want to update the task, he or she can press the button cancel. Okay, so you can see task is not updated. Okay, cancel, you can see task is not updated. Edit task, hit cancel, you can see task is not updated. Edit task. Okay, put 1 or we can say 3, click OK. You can see updated task, edit 2, click OK. You can see task is updated, javascript 2022, and edit task 1. Okay, so click OK. So you can see task updated. Okay, so likewise here also we are going to achieve the same feature, same functionality. Okay, so I'll say here show cancel button true. Okay, as of now guys, just save your file. Okay, and just see the output first, how it is gonna work, how it is gonna behave. Okay, so edit task, you can see, boom guys, you can see here edit your task is open, and we can say here OK button and cancel button. So see, it is gonna work guys, it is working. Click OK. So as of now nothing is gonna happen because we have not written the logic. Okay, so we have to write the logic also. Whenever user is gonna press this OK button, then we have to update the task. Okay, so we have to write the logic for that. Okay, so cancel. Okay, so come to the code now, and very quickly we will just say here that input, okay, input input, okay, input value, okay, input value, give capital V, input value, uh, input, I can say validator, okay, input validator data, okay, and it is gonna run one method, okay, so it will take this value, okay, you can see here, let me just show you, go to the SweetAlert2 URL, okay, you can see here input validator, okay, as you can see here input validator, okay, and it will take here one parameter value, okay, it will take here one parameter value, okay, okay, you can see here input validator, it will take one parameter value, okay, you can see here, okay, you can see here input validator, okay, input validator, and it will take one parameter value, you can see here try me. So if we will just remove this, and we will press OK, it will show the alert, okay, you need to write something, okay, so we have to put something here, okay, then only it will take the OK button, okay, so see your IP address is this, okay, so you can see we can't let it blank, okay, we can't let it blank, okay, you can see you need to write something, okay, so put something, hit enter, you can see your IP address is this, okay, so we will just give here input validator and this value, okay, so come to the code now, so I'll say here value, okay, like this filter function we will run here, okay, so this is filter function, so we will say here return, okay, so we will just say here return, so let me just go to the URL, you can see here it is gonna return whatever you have written here, okay, see you need to write something, okay, you need to write something has been written here only, okay, has been written here only, you need to write something, okay, in the return, okay, it is gonna return the, you need to write something, okay, so here also we will say here return, and we will say here you, okay, you need to, you need to write something, okay, so put semicolon, okay, and now just put comma here, I'm sorry guys, okay, so now we will just give here the width also, so put colon, I'll just say here 25 em, okay, we will just give here the height auto also as a false, okay, so put comma first here, okay, so this is it, okay, so guys now let me just show the output first, so come here, hit the button edit task, you can see here, you can see here you need to write something, okay, it can't be blank, okay, so edit, click OK, you need to write something, it can't be blank, okay, so come to the code now, okay, so guys now let's just check something if it is blank or empty, okay, so we will just say here value dot trim, okay, value dot trim, if, okay, so if this is the case, then only we will just, so we will just remove the white spaces, okay, from the left and right side of the string, okay, so now guys if this is the case, okay guys, if this is the case, okay, user has guys given something into this input field, okay guys, suppose user has given something into this input field, okay, then we will just grab it and we will just update this task, okay, we will grab it from this input field and we will just update the respective task, okay, on which user have clicked, and the task, okay, the user is gonna add it. Okay, we will just grab it and we will just update it. Okay, so come to the code now. We will run here the dot then method. Okay, dot then method we will say here, and it is gonna say here result. Okay, so result. Okay, let me just go to the URL. So result is gonna, it is gonna return the result also. Okay, it will just return the result. Okay, you can see here, let me just show you. Yeah, you can see here it is gonna, where is the dot then method, where it is. Okay, so come to the up now. Although I have explained you in my previous videos also what is dot then method. Okay, in SweetAlert2. Okay, you can see here dot then, it is going to return the result. Okay, if everything, it is a guys a kind of promise. Okay, if it is resolved, okay, if the promise is resolved, okay, we will run this then method. If it is not resolved, then we will just show the user that you have to enter something, you have to write something into the input field. Okay, which means the promise is not resolved, it is rejected. If it is resolved, then it will return the result. Okay, like here you can see here dot then result. Okay, okay, so you can see here dot then result, which means the promise is resolved, it is not rejected, the promise is resolved now. Okay, okay, you can see here dot result, which means the promise is resolved. Okay, dot then result means promise is resolved. Okay, it is not rejected. Okay, okay, so same here also, result, we will just run here the factor function. So factor function like this. Okay, so now just open and closing braces, open this, and now we will say here if. Okay, if result, okay, if this result guys, okay, if this result dot is confirmed. Okay, is confirmed means, guys, let me just show you one very important things. Okay, so just you can see here guys, you can see here dot, okay, result dot is confirmed. Okay, which means guys user has pressed the OK button. I'm sorry guys, result dot is confirmed means user has pressed the OK button. Okay, so don't save, you can see changes not saved. Okay, so guys now just click save. Okay, you can see here saved. Okay, you can see here user has pressed OK, and you can see here the text save have been alerted along with the success icon. You can see click OK, saved along with the success icon also. You can see here this is the success icon and this is the saved text. Okay, and this is the here, if result dot is confirmed, it will fire the saved and along with the success icon also. If result dot is denied, okay, it will say here changes are not saved along with the error or the info icons. Okay, let me just show you one more time. Don't save, you can see here changes are not saved and okay, okay, along with the info icon also. So this is what also we are gonna do here. Okay, so come to the code now, and if it is the result dot confirm, which means user has pressed the OK button. Okay guys, as of now let me just just remove this. Okay, so just cut this out, save your file, go to the browser, and guys hit the button edit task. Okay, so it will nothing will happen, so we have to. Okay, so I explained you, although there is no need to explain one more time, I explained you. Okay, so now if this is the case, if user has pressed the OK button, which means user want to update the task. Okay, which means user want to update the task. Okay, so now if this is the case, so we will just copy this. Okay, set to do's, so copy this set to do's. Okay, and we will just use this updater function. This is the updater function and this is the state variable. Using this updater function we will update this state variable. Okay, so now just come here, and now we will just say here like this. Okay, so we will check here. Okay, we will just check here that okay, we will just check here this. Okay, this okay, this we can say here. Let me just where is it? Yeah, to dos. Okay, so copy this to dos and just paste it here. We will just check here. Okay, we will just run here the map method. Okay, to loop through. Okay, to loop through all these elements. Okay, which needs to be updated. Okay, so guys, to update one element, okay, we have to loop through the entire element. Okay, using the id. Okay, suppose user want to update this id one, so we have to look through these two also. Suppose if we want to use the id 3, then we have to loop these two first element also. Likewise for all the elements, for all the objects inside this to do's array of object. Okay, using the map method. So we are gonna do that now using to do's dot map. Okay, and we all know it is going to take here one callback function, and that callback function will take at least one necessary parameter. So we will give here to do only like this. Okay, to do only like this. So just say here open this, and now we will just say here that so now we will just say here that okay, we'll just check here that okay, if this to do, okay, this to do dot id okay guys, this id, okay, id1, id2, id3, id4, id5, id6, so on so forth. Okay, whenever user will enter the new text also, then also it will generate the id. We will just okay write the function to add the to do's. Okay, to add the to do's or to create the to do's, we will just create the function also. So now we will check. Okay, if this to do dot id okay equal to okay okay equal to this given id. Okay, this given id. Okay, this given id. Okay, this given id, if this is the case, we will just run here the what can I say, I'm just forgetting the term. Okay, I just mentioned before only. So ternary operator. Okay, so guys, this is known as the ternary operator. Okay, if this condition is true, okay, if this condition is true, we will run this expression. Okay, if this condition is false, if this condition is false, we will run the another expression. Okay, so now we will just say here, we will just use here the double triple dots to create here the spread operator. Okay, spread operator. So we will just copy this to do, and we will just append it along with the updated text also, which is gonna be updated by the user. Okay, so we will just say here this result. Okay, this result dot, we will just give here this value. Okay, this value. Okay, this input value. Okay, this input value. Okay, I showed you, I explained you here also in the go to the input. Okay, go to the input type. I'm sorry, you can see here, you can see, click okay, just remove this. Okay, so you can click OK. You can see you need to write something. Okay, you need to write something, which means we have to provide this value. Okay, we have to provide this value, and this value is linked with the input field. Okay, this value is linked with the input value. Okay, so give here anything. Okay, you can see here your password is this. Okay, your password is this. Okay, so we have to give this input value, and this input value is linked with this input type, okay, text, okay, input type text. This value is linked, okay. I hope you have understood now. Okay, so we will just say here, we will, if this condition is true, if this condition is return true, okay, then we will just create we will just create the split operator, and we will just grab all the previous, okay, or the old, okay, to do's list also, and we will just create here another to do list item which is being edited, which is being modified, which is being changed by the user, okay, by the user, okay, by the user through this input field, okay, through this input field, okay, through this input field, okay, through this input field, and this input field is linked, okay, this input field is linked with this value, okay, this value. So we will just grab all the old, we will just grab all the old or the previously inserted, previously added to do's list item along with the updated task or the list item. So we will just use here the split operator to do, okay, split operator to do, and along with the new text also, okay. And I hope I've explained you. If this is not the case, guys, if this is not the case, we will just return this to do, which means there is no any modification, there is no any change, okay. So why need to return anything? Just return entire object, okay, just return the entire old object, because this condition is false. User have not made any changes, okay, user have not modified anything into the task, okay, user has not done anything with the input fields, okay, user has not updated anything with the input fields, okay. So this condition false, this condition false. So we will just return the entire old to do task, okay, we will just return the entire old to do task, okay. So this is it, okay. So if this is the case, if this is the case, we will just return here also. So we will just return here, okay. So if this is the case, we will just return here also. So we will say here that, okay, so we will just say here, we will just say here that, okay, sol dot fire, okay. So we will just say here sol dot fire, we'll just say here title updated. I'll say here your task updated, okay. We will say here your task is now updated, okay. Put comma, we will just say here text also, put colon, we will say here your task, we can say here the same thing, just copy this and just to paste here. So I'll just say here updated, okay. So although we are showing below also your task is now updated, okay. So give exclamation mark, okay, give here also one or two exclamation mark, okay. Put colon, we will just say here icon also, I'll give here of success, because task is updated now. So give the success icon, put colon, we will just give here timer also, I'll give here the timer also. So give timer, put colon, I'll give here the 1 and 5 seconds, okay. So give here width also of 25 em, and put colon, we give here the height also auto property as a false, okay. Put colon, I'll just say here show, I'll say here show it's confirmed, okay. Confirm button equal to, I'll give here true, Okay, so this is it. I'll give you a false. So put column. Okay, save your file, guys. Okay, save your file. So guys, we have written here edit to do task function now. So our code will work definitely now. So save your file, go to the browser, and now guys hit the button edit task. So guys, there is a okay, okay, you need to write something. Okay, so just check the code first. So result, okay, 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 okay. Okay, yeah, we have to negate it. Okay, we have to negate it. Okay, so now just edit task updated. Okay, so we have to fetch, guys. Okay, so you can see we are fetching the previously added task also here also. So but here it's not doing you can see it is still blank, it is still empty. So let me just check here. Although our task is being updated, okay, you can see our task is being updated. Okay, you can see the task is now updated. Edit task, you can see task updated. Edit task, I'm sorry, you can see task updated. So but it is not fetching the previously added or the inserted task. Okay, so let me just check why. So just come here and input value v capital, guys, v capital, I guess. What is the issue, guys? V capital, v small. Okay, so guys, now hit the button edit task. See, boom, guys, now it's here. Okay, so html learn html5 1, hit enter, updated. Okay, edit task, I'll say here I love to watch, I love to watch movies. Okay, hit enter. So updated, your task is now updated. You can see here I love to watch movies. Okay, edit task, I'll say here hello, hello guys, how are you doing today? Hit enter, updated. Okay, so boom, guys, I love to watch movies. Hello guys, how are you doing today? Okay, let's just edit this also. I'll say here hello uh, React developers. Okay, hit enter or click OK. So see, updated, your task is now updated. So guys, now we have achieved here, guys, second target also. So this is the first target to view the task, this is the second target to edit the task. Okay, and it is also doing great, it is also doing fine. Okay, so we have the we can we have implemented the validation also, we have implemented the validation also, so it can't be blank. Okay, you can see you need to write something, it can't be blank. Okay, so this is the validation, guys. Okay, click cancel, it input field can't be blank. Okay, click OK, you can see you need to write something, cancel. Okay, so the validation is doing good and it's great also, click cancel. Okay, so now so guys, now we will just achieve now the third target. Okay, are you sure you want to delete this? Okay, cancel is cancel. If user will press this button, yes, delete it, we will just delete the task. Okay, so if cancel is pressed, so task is cancelled. If user will press yes, delete it, we will just delete the task. Okay, so cancel is pressed, cancel, your data is safe, click OK. If user will press yes, delete it, we will just delete the task. Okay, deleted. So guys, now just come to the code and we will just do the same here also. So now guys, I'm gonna define here the third method. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here, and we will just define the third method now. So now guys, be careful and be patient, and guys, watch the entire video very carefully, and please guys, please Guys, it's a humble request from a friend to a friend. It's a humble request from a brother to a brother. Please guys, I need your support, I need your help. Okay, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Please guys, please support me, and please guys promote me, and guys please guys make this YouTube video blockbuster video. Okay guys, I need guys at least, okay, 100 to, okay, like 50 to 100 subscribers guys from this video guys. Okay, please guys, please कम से कम guys 1K कर दो जल्दी से यार, please guys. Guys, I'm saying this in Hindi. Okay, कम से कम please guys 1000 सब्सक्राइबर कर दो guys, please guys, कम से कम 1K कर दो in February. Okay, so guys, as we all know that February is the month of love. Okay, so guys, I mean I will guys wish you guys, okay guys, whoever subscribe guys my this channel Code with ER, guys, I will wish you guys that your girlfriend, your loved one will be always with you. Okay, and they won't, okay, ditch you, they won't teach you ever and ever. Okay, so guys, I wish you guys that you two will be together always and always, provided you have to subscribe my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, and guys, this conditions, this wishes is valid for all my previously subscribers also, and for my new subscribers as well. Okay guys, मेरा जो भी ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करेगा guys Code with ER, okay, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड हमेशा उसके पास रहेगी, कभी उसको टीच नहीं करेगी, कभी उसको टीच नहीं करेगी, चीट नहीं करेगी, कभी उसको टीच नहीं करेगी, कभी उसको टेंशन नहीं देगी. Guys, I wish guys, okay, you two will be always and always together, provided you have to subscribe my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay guys, if you are guys from India, guys, I know you must be like understanding what I'm saying here. Okay, so guys, you know, from 7th of February, okay, so Valentine days is gonna, you know, like so you know, love big is gonna be commencing from the 7th of February. Okay, so I don't know what it is, chocolate day, hug day, promise day, teddy day, kiss day, slap day, and then no, first is Valentine day, and then is the slap day. Okay, so guys, I hope guys slap will be not okay in your case. Okay, only you guys will be always together. Okay, okay, till eternity, till you guys, okay, die. Okay, so please guys कर दो कम से कम यार 1K, please guys, please. Okay, so guys, now just come to the code and just achieve the third task. Okay, which is like deleting the task. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now. So guys, now we will just achieve the last functionality, delete task. Okay, so if cancel, if delete, okay, it will delete the task. Okay, so timer is also shown here. So come to the code now, and we will just change the method name here. So I'll say here remove okay, remove task. Okay, task. Okay, and we will just give here the only task, I mean the ID. Okay, so we will just give here the ID, and through the ID only we will just grab the current task, okay, which user want to delete. Okay, we will just grab the task through the ID only, which user want to remove, which user want to delete from the to-do list item. Okay, okay, so come to the code now. So just copy this method name from here, and we have to give this as a prop also. Sorry, so just give the prop. Okay, copy this prop prop from here, and we have to give here the same prop also, equal to like this. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so just we will define this method now. So copy this. Okay, remove task. We are passing here the id also. You can see here we are passing here the id also. So just come here, and below this I'm gonna define it here. Okay, so I'll say here const, I'll just use here the fat order function equal to like this. I'm sorry, as you can see here guys, I'm constantly speaking guys. Okay, as you can see here guys, I'm constantly speaking since 1.5 hours. Okay, so guys that's why my voice is like this. Okay, I hope guys, please guys subscribe कर दो यार प्लीज़, एक भाई को सपोर्ट करो यार प्लीज़. ओके गाइज, मुझे अपने आप मतलब मेरा भाई समझो, और मुझे यू नो अपना दोस्त भी समझ सकते हो. like I have already wished for you that it will be a great Valentine weekend for you guys, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हो तो. ओके, प्लीज़ गाइज कर दो सब्सक्राइब यार प्लीज़ प्लीज़, 1K कर दो प्लीज़. ओके गाइज, मैं भी एक इंडियन ही हूँ, मैं भी हिंदी बोलता हूँ, मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि आप सब हमेशा खुश रहो, हैप्पी रहो, और आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड हमेशा आपके पास रहे. ओके, सो प्लीज़ गाइज कम से कम 1K कर दो भाई प्लीज़. ओके, प्लीज़ भाई प्लीज़, कंसिडर मी एज ओ भाई, कंसिडर मी एज ओ दोस्त. ओके, एंड कर दो यार 1K, एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दो ना प्लीज़. ओके, so happy Valentine Day guys, all of my lovely subscribers. Okay, all of my lovely viewers. Okay, so guys, wish you guys a very happy, and always happy Valentine days for you guys. Okay, always happy. Okay, so you're okay. And guys, I hope guys you will get okay good Valentine this Valentine Day as well. Okay, प्लीज़ गाइज, मैं भगवान से मनाऊंगा कि आपको एक अच्छी से वैलेंटाइन मिले दिस वैलेंटाइन डे. ओके ओके, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो. ओके प्लीज़, मैं भगवान से मनाऊंगा कि आपको एक अच्छी सी वैलेंटाइन डे मिले. ओके, दिस वैलेंटाइन डे. ओके ओके, so I hope guys there will be some like girls, there will be your girlfriend, your crush, and guys this Valentine Day वो आपके पास आए, वो आपको प्रपोज करे, will you be my Valentine? Okay, and you will definitely say guys, yes, I will be your Valentine Day for this Valentine, for coming Valentine, for coming Valentine, for coming Valentine till we die. Okay, so कर दो guys, please guys कर दो subscribe आप please. Okay, so now just come to the code. So now just alert first. Okay, so first I want to show you something, this simple alert. Okay, so I'll just pass here id, it is only id. So just give here id, save your file, go to the browser and hit enter, delete task. You can see here id is 1, click ok, delete task. You can see here id is 2, click ok, delete task. id is 3, okay, hit enter something. So we have to write the functionality to add task. Okay, so first guys we have to write the functionality to add task. Okay, so just guys very quickly let me just write the functionality to add the task. Okay, okay, so here we have prevent default. Okay, event.prevent default, we will just write the if. Okay, so if we will just check here if. Okay, if new to do, so this. Okay, this. Okay, this to do, new to do. So just say here dot. Okay, trim. Okay, dot trim. Okay, if it is equal to blank or empty, we will just alert here. I will say here sol dot fire. Okay, sol dot fire. So we will alert the user that please write something in the input field. Okay, then only hit enter or press the button add task. Okay, so we'll just say here, I'll just say here icon. Okay, icon, I'll say here icon error. Okay, I'll give here the icon of error. Okay, put comma, I'll just say here title, put colon, I'll just give here oops. Okay, so just put comma, I'll just give here the text also. So I'll just say here please. Okay, please enter some task. Okay, please enter some task. Okay, uh, or we will say here or two. Okay, put comma. So now we will just give you a width also of 25 em and give you I'm sorry guys, I'll give here height auto. I'll say here, okay, false, put colon. So this is it. Okay, and we have to return also, otherwise the code will execute. Okay, so return, this is it. Okay, save your file, go to the browser, and now just hit add task. You can see here. So yeah, we have to just remove this conventional alert. We don't want this old alert of JavaScript, so just remove this and hit enter. You can see, oops, please enter task or to do. Okay, so hit add task. You can see here, oops, please enter task or to do. Click OK. So now it's doing fine. So now we will just grab. Okay, so guys, now whatever will user enter inside this input field, we will just grab it. Okay, and we will just populate it. Okay, we will just show it here. Okay, below this okay, already or the previously added task. Okay, so come to the code now, and here after this, okay, we will just say here that I'm gonna create here const. Okay, so I'll just say here const new. Okay, new task. Okay, new task equal to, we will just say here, I'm sorry, so we are going to create this id and text. Okay, we are going to create the object here. Okay guys, on the fly. Okay, we are going to create here the text or the id. Okay, on the fly, whatever user will enter inside this input field. Okay, we will just grab it and we will just create the object. Okay, we are going to now create the object here. So I'm going to say here id, put colon, I'll say here date. Okay, date dot now, okay, it will generate the random I'm sorry guys, it will generate the random text. Okay, so put comma, so I'll say here text colon. Okay, so now you can see here text. So we have to guys create, okay, the object in the same format. Okay guys, always remember, I'm sorry, we have to create the object, okay, in the same format. Okay, in the same format. Okay, like id text, okay, id text. So come to the code now, where it is here. So we will just say here this. Okay, this new to do. Okay, because we are grabbing each and everything, okay, from this input field. Okay, you can see here this new to do, this new to do is linked with this input field. Okay, I explained you in the beginning. Okay, I explained you in the beginning that this new to do is linked with this input field. Okay, and on change we are just updating through this set new to do using the event.target.value, which means it is referring to this input field only. Okay guys, this event.target.value is referring to this input field only, and this new to do is linked with this input field. Okay, so that's why we have grabbed here this new to do. Okay, here, and we will just say here like this. Okay, so whatever guys user will enter, okay, whatever user will enter inside the input field, okay, inside this input field, it will definitely come guys here. Okay, it will definitely come here into new to do, and it's a state variable. It's a state variable. It will update by using this set new to do, and we are grabbing it here. We are creating here the new object with the id and with the text. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we are gonna just say here that, okay, we are gonna just say here that, okay, so just copy this set new to do, because we are gonna update it. Okay, I'm sorry, I told you this new to do will be updated through this updater function only. So copy this, and we will just say here like this, and we will just copy the old, okay, to do's also, the using the speed operator. We will just maintain the old to do's also. Okay, we will just we will just keep the old to do's also, or the previously added to do's also. We will just keep it, we won't remove it, we won't delete it, we will just keep it, the old one, the previously added to do list item or the task. Okay, we will just keep it also, and along with we will add the new one also. Okay, so this is what, yeah, it is gonna do. So just copy this new task and just say it, put colon. Okay, so guys, in this way we are appending the old task. Okay, and we are just adding the new task as well. Okay guys, we are just keeping the old or the previously added list item or the task. Okay, and we are appending the new task also in the end. Okay, in the last, or we can say in the end. Okay, so we are appending. Okay, we are appending. Okay, we are appending. Okay, so through this we can achieve. Okay, so if this is the case, if it is updated. Okay, so we will just say here sol dot fire. Okay, sol dot fire, like this. Okay, so just close this. We just say here I'll just say here position. Okay, position, put colon. I'll just say here top end. Okay, top end. Okay, let me just show you the position of the alert. Okay, so add something. Okay, you can see on the top right end. Okay, on the top right end, and add something. You can see on the top right end. Okay, so come here, so top end, put comma. We will just say here icon. Okay, if it is already added, it is updated, so we will just show here this success icon. Okay, so success icon, put comma. We will just say here title, put colon. We will just say here your, okay, your task. Okay, your task has been I'll say here saved. Okay, it's saved. I'm sorry. We will just say here we will just show the task also. Okay, along with the task also we will show here. So we will just use here the back tick. Okay, so put comma, and we'll just use here the h3 element. Close this h3, and we will just say here this string literal interpolation. Okay, so we'll just say here this new task. Okay, new task, and we'll just show the text. Okay, we'll just show the text. Okay, okay, and just now we'll just say here show. Okay, I'll just say here show confirm button also. I'll just say here false. Okay, so put comma. I'll just say here timer also. I'll give here timer, so timer will be of 1.5 seconds. Okay, put comma. I'll just say here width also, put, I'll give here 25 em. Okay, put comma. I'll just give here height auto as a false. Okay, so put comma. Okay, and now we will just make this input field empty. Okay, so just copy this, and below this we will just say here that, okay, so that empty. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser, and I hope the code will work now. So just say here hello developer, hit enter. You can see hello developer, but guys, you can see here our code is not being updated. Okay, you can see here the alert is working fine, but you can see it is not being appended, it is not being added in the last. Okay, to the to do list item. Okay, it is not being updated to the list item. So let me just check why. So okay guys. Okay, we will just copy this set to do. Okay, so just say here set to do. Okay, so save your file, and now I'm sorry, so save. Okay, what is the issue? set to do's. Yeah, copy this set to do's and to do's. Let me just check one more time. Okay, so let me just check, guys. Give me 2 seconds. So to do's. So this is the to do's, and we will just append this new to do's to the end. Okay, so set to do's. Let me just check the example. What is the issue? Okay. Okay, guys, add to do. So add to do is here. Let me just check. Add to do. Set to do's only. So copy this and just okay, guys, I'm sorry, guys, I'm sorry. I forget something. It's okay. So it's like this. Okay, so now, guys, save a file and go to the browser and now add something. See, boom, guys, it's here. Guys, it's here. Guys, it is a minor mistake of just a square bracket. Okay, it is a minor mistake of just a square bracket. Okay, so our code is doing great. Okay, so we are now able to add the task also. Your task has been updated. You can see your task has been updated. You can see here the task, new task. Okay, so I'll just say here one. You can see here one is here, add two. You can see here add two is here. Okay, view task. Okay, so task details, task id. Okay, added task. Like say here this. Okay, click OK. You can see it is being updated here. Added task. Okay, you can see updated. Delete task. Okay, no, it's not working as of now. We have to write the functionality. We have to write the logic for this delete task. Okay, so we can edit the task. Okay, it's doing great. Updated. Okay, so now, guys, we have to write the logic for the delete task. Okay, so I showed you we get the id. Okay, so we are getting the id, and through this id only we will just grab the task. Okay, which user want to delete, which user want to remove from the to-do list. Okay, which user want to remove from the to-do list, we will grab it through this id only. We are getting the id now. Okay, the respective id of each and every respective the to-do list task or the item. Okay, so come to the code now. So come to the okay, remove task. Here we are alerting the id. So now we will just define this remove task very quickly. Okay, so now just come here, guys. Okay, we will just say here sol dot fire. Okay, I'm sorry. So close this, guys. You can see here guys, I'm constantly speaking since 2 hours. Okay, that's why, guys, my voice is like this. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I hope you will understand and you will forgive me for this. Okay, because, guys, I'm constantly speaking, so that's why my voice is like this. Okay, I hope you will understand me. Okay, and you will just understand. Okay, so now we will just say here title colon. We will just say here ru. Okay, ru sure. Okay, put comma, and we'll just say here text, I'm sorry, text, we will just say here you, okay, you want, okay, you won't be able to, you won't be able to revert this. Okay, so give exclamation mark, put comma, we will just say here icon also, I'll give here the warning. Okay, warning icon, put comma, I'll just say here allow, okay, allow outside, okay, allow outside side, I'm sorry, click, okay, put colon, I'll say here false, put comma, I'll just say here show cancel button, I'll just say here true, because we want cancel button also, that's why user want to delete it or cancel it. Okay, so you can see here cancel button is here, so we want the cancel button. Okay, so that user can cancel the operations or the event. Okay, okay, so user can cancel the operations, delete operations, user can cancel, okay, through this cancel button. Okay, so we have to show the cancel button. Okay, so come to the code now, so I'll say here show cancel button true, and now we will just say here uh, just say here confirm button. Okay, confirm button. Okay, confirm button text, we will say here confirm button, we'll just say here color. Okay, I'll just say here confirm button color, I'll just say here green. Okay, it's a color only, you can change, it's up to you only. Okay, I'll just say here cancel 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 button, cancel button color. Okay, I'll just give here the red. Okay, put comma, I'll just give here the width also. Confirm, okay, confirm button, confirm button text. Okay, text, put colon, I'll just say here yes. Okay, yes, delete it. Okay, put comma, we will just say here width also, I'll just give you a width of 25 em, put comma, I'll give you a height auto also false, put comma, and now guys, now we will just use here the dot then method also. Okay, if guys, if user click OK button, okay guys, if user click the OK button, then we will get the result in the then method. Okay, because I told you it is a kind of promise, reject and resolve. Okay, it is a kind of promise guys. Okay, so we have to wait for the promise. Okay, if it is resolved, then we will grab it inside the then method. If it is rejected also, then we will just means user has cancelled it, user don't want to update the task, so that's why he has pressed the cancel button, so we will just leave as it is. Okay, and if it is OK button, then it is gonna come here the in the response. Okay, as a promise is now, means promise is now resolved. Okay, so we'll say here dot then. Okay, like this, I'm gonna use here the filter function, and it will give here the result. Okay, I showed you in the previously. Okay, let me just show you one more time. Okay, you can see here the result. Okay, you can see here in the then method we will get the result. Okay, in the then method, where it is, in the then method we will get the result. Okay, in the then method we will get the result, promise result. Okay, in the then method we will get the promise result. Okay, in the then method also we will get the promise result. Okay, like this, try me, save. Okay, saved, don't save, you can see changes are not saved. Okay, so you can see here is result dot is confirmed. Okay, if else if result dot is denied. Okay, result dot is confirmed means OK button is pressed, save button is pressed. okay, if don't save, okay, which means result dot is denied. Okay, so the cancel button or okay is pressed. Okay, so come to the code now. So now this is also one we are gonna get here. I'm gonna use here the filter function. Okay, so like this we will just get the promise resolved. Okay, so we will just use here the filter function like this. Okay, so now we will just say here, uh, we will just check here. Okay, we will just check here that okay result, okay, this result dot, okay, just come here is confirmed. Okay, we will say here is confirmed. Okay, so copy this from here and paste here. You can see here, you can see dot then. Okay, and we are checking here if result dot is confirmed. Okay, which means user has press the save button, cancel, don't save. Okay, which means else if result dot is denied. Okay, which means user has cancelled the operation. Okay, so user don't want to update, or user don't want to save the changes. Okay, so that's what we will achieve here also. Result dot is confirmed. Okay, so if this is the case, we will just say here like this. Okay, we will just say here set to do this. Okay, this set to do. Okay, copy this set to do's from here and just come here. We will just say here like this. Okay, set to do's. Okay, and we will just say here we will update this to do's using this updater function set to do's. So copy this to do's from here, and I'm sorry, we will just say here dot. Okay, we will just check here filter. Okay, we will just filter here based on the id provided. Okay, you can see this id. Okay, this id, this is the provided id, which means on user have clicked. Okay, you can see it is working. So cancel. Okay, it will give you the id also. I showed you also in the beginning that it was showing the id in the alert. Okay, it was showing the id in the alert, I showed you. So come to the code now. So this is the provided id, we will use this id. Okay, so we will just say here to do's dot filter, and we will just it is gonna take here one callback function, and that callback function will take one necessary parameter. So I will give here only to do's only. I'll give here to do only. Okay, like this. Filter function. Okay, so if okay, if okay, this it's to do, no, it's to do. Okay, so if this to do dot id. Okay guys, this id. Okay, this id. Okay, this id1, this id2, this id3, so on and so forth. Okay, if user will insert anything into this to do's, okay, list, okay, or the item or the task, it will have again their new id, new id, new id. I have showed you guys each and everything. Okay, मैंने आपको हर चीज़ बताया है डिटेल्स में. ओके, आई होप गाइज आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, आपको ये पसंद आई हो, और आपने कुछ नया सीखा हो इस वीडियो से. एंड यू गाइज मस्ट हैव सब्सक्राइब नाउ माय दिस चैनल कोड विथ ईयर. ओके, प्लीज़ गाइज, प्लीज़ इस भाई को कुछ तो हेल्प कर दो यार, प्लीज़. ओके, just subscribe now my this channel code with ear. Okay, so come to the code now, and now we will just very quickly write this function dot id. Okay, dot id. Okay, if it is not equal to, okay, if it is not equal to this provided id, we will just pop it out. We will just remove it from the array, from the object, from the to-do list item. Okay, from the to-do list item we will just remove it. Okay, so close this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, if this is the case, we will just run here set to do's dot filter. Okay, so we have to close it. Okay, so this is it. So we will just say here sol dot fire. Okay, and we will just say here, okay, that title, not this title, man, title, we will just say here deleted. Okay, deleted. Put comma, we will just say here text also, text we will just say here your, okay, your to do item has been successfully, okay, successfully removed, okay, removed or deleted. Okay, put comma, we will just say here icon also, I'll give here icon of success because we have removed successfully, so icon is of success. I'll just give here the timer also, we will just say here timer of 1 and 5 seconds. Put comma, we will just give here timer uh, timer progress, okay, timer progress bar also I'll say here true. Okay, so put comma, I'll just say here show, okay, show confirm button also I'll say here I can give here just say here false, sorry, I'm sorry guys, okay, I'll say here width for my voice, okay, for my voice, okay, because guys I'm constantly speaking since a long time. Okay, please guys, okay, भाई को सपोर्ट कर दो प्लीज़, सब्सक्राइब कर दो गाइज इस चैनल को कोड विथ ER को, ओके, प्लीज़ गाइज कर दो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब. ओके, so come to the code now, and now we'll just see here width also I'll say here 25 em. Okay, put comma, I'll just say here height auto also I'll give here false. Okay, so save your code. Okay, and now guys, if user has cancelled it, okay, suppose guys, suppose user has cancelled, okay, user has cancelled, so we will also show the alert. Okay, you can see here if user is cancelling the operations, then also we are showing here the cancelled alert. Okay, cancelled, your data is safe. Okay, as you can see here, when the user is cancelling the process also, then also we are just alerting the user that your data is safe. Okay, your to-do list item is safe. Okay, so just come to the code now. So now below this if, okay, below this if statement I'm gonna say here else if. Okay, so we will just check here you can just check here result. Okay, we will just say here result dot, okay, is, okay, result dot is dismissed. Okay, result dot is dismissed. Let me just show you. So come here, I'll just come here to the methods. Okay, come here to the methods. Okay, and or you can say handling dismissals. Okay, you can come here handling dismissals. Okay, you can see here the, you can see here is dismissed true, we will just dismiss the alert. Okay, you can see here sol dot dismiss reason, you can see here is dismissed. Okay, sol dot dismiss reason dot cancel. Okay, you can guys just come here and guys you can just have a look. Okay, on this, okay, SweetAlert API or the docs, or we can say the we can say docs. Okay, so just come here guys and try to read it. Okay, you can see here is dismissed means cancel button was clicked. Okay, the dismiss will be sol dot dismiss reason dot cancel. Okay, means is dismissed means cancel button was clicked. Okay, you can see here cancel button was clicked. Okay, is dismissed. Okay, so here also we are checking that user is cancelling the operation. Okay, is user is cancelling the operation. If it is the case, if it is true, then we will just show the alert also. So result dot is dismissed. Okay, we will just check here result dot is dismissed. Okay, if this is the case, we will just alert here again sol dot fire. Okay, sol dot fire, and we will just say here that title, I'm sorry, title, I'll just say here that okay, cancelled. Okay, cancelled means I'll just say here text also that, okay, your data is now safe. Put comma, and I'll just give here the icon also of success, because user has cancelled the operation, so it's success now. The data is not deleted, the to-do list item or the to-do task is not deleted, so it's a success. So I'll just say here confirm confirm button text. I'll just say here confirm button text. I'll say here okay, got it. Put comma. I'll just say here width also. This time I'll just give you a very small width, okay, of 10 em only. Okay, so put comma. I'll just say here height auto also false. So save your file, save your code. Okay, and now guys, our code is now ready to be tested. Okay guys, we have written all the functionality, all the features of this classes of this session. Okay, updating the task. Okay, we guys now written the view task also, edit task also, update task also, delete task also, and cancel task also, and the add task also. So first of all guys, let me just refresh the page. Okay, very quickly. View task. Okay, so task details, learn html, id is this, click ok. Edit task, I'll say here one, click ok. You can see task updated. Okay, it's updated now. View task. Okay, learn React.js, click ok. Edit task, we just give here to do, hit enter. You can see updated. You can see learn React to do. View task. Okay, learn angular.js, id is 3, click ok. Edit task, learn angular.js, I'll say here 3, hit enter. Okay, so you can see here and learn angular.js 3. Okay, so guys, now test this button. Okay, delete task. Okay, are you sure you won't be able to reward this? I'll say here cancel. You can see cancel pay. So we have to show the alert. So else else if result dot is dismissed. Okay, so okay, double s guys, double s. Okay, so save your file, and now go to the browser, delete task, cancel. So see, boom guys, you can see here. Let me just enlarge this width. Okay, so give here 20. Save your file, go to the browser, delete task, cancel. So see, cancelled, your data is now safe. Got it, it's working. Now delete the task. So yes, delete it, deleted, delete task, cancel, cancelled, got it, delete it. I'm sorry. So yes, delete it, yes, deleted, delete the task, yes, delete it. See, boom guys. So let me just bring this image or text to the center. Okay, so let me just bring it very quickly. So I'll just say here text center. Okay, center. Save your file, go to the browser, quickly remove all the task to see if it is working or not. Okay, I'm sorry guys for the background voices. Okay, I'm very sorry. So now you can see here the image in the center, and please add some task or to-dos is here. Okay, so guys, now let me just add some few names. Okay, I'll say here Priya Kumari. Okay, hit enter. So you can see Priya Kumari added. I'll say here Pooja Kumari. Okay, Pooja Kumari added. I'll say here Prabhat Pandit, hit enter. Okay, so I'll say here Deepak Sharma, hit enter. Okay, so we can see here the task is being updated now, the task is being added now. Okay, so let me just delete all the tasks, delete it, delete it, delete it, and delete it. Okay, So guys, now guys, okay, I hope guys we have achieved our target, our goal of this today's videos, today's session. Okay, so and I hope guys we have achieved our functionality, our aim, our goal, okay, of this session, of this, okay, video. Okay, and guys, I hope guys you have learned something new, something unique, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay guys, still guys you have doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys, okay, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to resolve it, I'll try to address it, and definitely guys I'll try to give you the best possible solution as well. Okay, and guys, if you want this code, just do let me know in the comment section below. I'll give this code in the my, okay, my, what can I say, uh, I'm forgetting guys. Okay, my GitHub link is here. Okay, I'll just give you the GitHub link, and you can just come here, you can just copy the code, and you can just try it out, you can just test it out, okay, on your machine, on your computer, on your system. Okay, just guys, okay, just comment me that in the comment section below, that I need the code, I need the source code of this video, of this session. I'll give you the my, okay, GitHub link. Okay, you can go there, and you can just copy the link, you can just download the link. Okay, so okay, so I hope guys you have learned something from this video, from this session, and I kept my promise, I kept my, you know, word, that I'll teach you something new, something different, something unique from this video, from this session. And guys, I hope guys I have fulfilled it. Okay, I have teach you something new, something unique, something different from this video, from this session. And guys, you are happy, you are elated now that you have learned something new, something unique. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video, thank you guys for watching my session. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now. Okay, and guys, once again guys, very very happy वैलेंटाइन डे वीक. ओके, एंड मैं मनाऊंगा कि आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड, आपकी क्रश डेफिनेटली गाइज आपको प्रपोज करे दिस वैलेंटाइन डे, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हो तो. ओके, सो वंस अगेन गाइज, हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.